Let's now apply the skills we've just learned, and we're going to have a go at finding the equation for tangents to a curve at a certain point. And this is exercise 21.03 from the Theta Mathematics text. But just for a bit of fun, I'm going to start you off with question 1. Now, they give you information that you need, but they don't say how you're meant to use it. So just so you know, you'll notice here you've got the point 2, 5. Now to find the gradient, you only need the x value. But when you come to substitute it in and to find all the other information, you need both coordinates, the x and the y. So let's have a look at how that plays out. Just as before, here we go. There's the equation. So I restated the equation. Y equals x squared plus 4x minus 7. And we could do this straight away if we knew the gradient. We don't know the gradient. So let's find the gradient. And we're going to find the gradient at the x value of 2, because that's all we have. Y disappears here, and that y becomes m when we use dy dx. Okay, so here we go. We're going to go dy dx. It's no longer a y value, and this becomes a 2x. This becomes a plus 4. So now this is really m is equal to there. So y is nowhere to be seen, but we do have an x value. Let's substitute the x value in, and that will give us our gradient. So let's see what that is. So this is equal to, that is our m value, if I like. That's going to be 2 times 2 plus 4. So what have we got here? 2 times 2 is 4, plus 4 is 8. So the m value is, in fact, 8. Okay, so lots of ways of doing this. I'm just going to use y equals mx plus c, but you could use either that or the point gradient equation. So here's the gradient intercept equation, y equals mx plus c, and what have we got here? So y, value of y is 5, so I'll put 5 is equal to m. Well, we know what m is. M is 8, there it is, times x. What is x? Well, x is 2. Plus c. So 5 is equal to, well, that's going to be 16 plus c. I'm going to subtract 16 from both sides so we can make c the subject. Well, c, therefore, is going to equal negative 11. So now we're ready to restate the entire equation. Here it is. Y is equal to, well, we need the m value. It's going to be 8x plus, in this case, sorry, minus, because a c value is negative. There it is. Oops. A bit clearer. Negative 8, positive 8x minus 11. Now, that is the equation. Now, the really important thing to be able to do here is to be able to state, therefore, we should say, y equals 8x minus 11 is the equation of the tangent, I'm abbreviating here, at the point 2, 5. So you need to be able to state all of that. So y equals 8x minus 11 is the equation of the tangent at the point 2, 5. Then we want to put 4 y equals x squared plus 4x minus 7. You need all of that, yes? Get all of that, and we're good, yes? You've got to be able to state the whole thing. Anyway, that's how I would do the first one. And the really, really important bit is not just doing the calc, but after you finish the calculation, have a statement that shows that you understand what the answer tells you about the question. In other words, what have you just found out? All right, folks, go to it. I'm going to get you to do exercise 21.03, do the whole lot. Remember, we're after mastery here, so just do as many as you can. Go to it. Answers, of course, you know where they are. Any questions, do ask for help. Delighted to help as required.